Lamsang MLA Sorakaibam Rajan accused of assaulting Assistant Executive Engineer of Northeast Frontier Railways during inspection of ongoing railway project in Lamsang constituency. Bomb explosion reported near residential gate in Iroishemba Mamang Lekai. Another bomb hurled at residential gate in Langjing, Atoba Maning Lekai. And Manipur's Nancy Rose Saikom clinches silver medal at Bangkok Open Fencing 2026 held at Icon Siam in Bangkok. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm Joyce Usham, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Lamsang MLA Sorakaibam Rajan has been accused of assaulting an assistant executive engineer of Northeast Frontier Railways. The allegation was made by Assistant Executive Engineer Vikash Kumar Meena, who claimed that the incident took place last afternoon during an inspection of an ongoing railway project in Lamsang constituency in Imphal West. Speaking to media, Vikash Kumar Meena stated that he was called by Lamsang SDO to accompany an inspection of ongoing construction of road under bridge connecting Awang Kunau and Salam. Upon reaching the site, he found one executive engineer and one assistant engineer from Public Health Engineering Department already present while the SDO was absent. He further said that the MLA arrived later at the site and despite showing due respect, he was allegedly slapped without provocation. Vikash Kumar Meena also claimed that he was briefly detained by the MLA's security personnel. Condemning the alleged act, he informed that a complaint has been lodged with the police.
2 बजे के करीब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा था। पहुँचने पे वहाँ पे पीएचडी का असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर और एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर मौजूद थे। हमारा उनसे बातचीत हुआ, मैटर पे डिसाइड किया कि वही लाइन को शिफ्ट करना है, जो लाइन साइड में है उसको आरयूबी से निकालना। हमारा बातचीत चल ही रहा था। उसी बीच में एमएलए सर राजन सिंह वहाँ आए। उनके आने पे मैंने उनसे नमस्ते किया। जैसे ही मैं नमस्ते के लिए नमस्ते किया, उन्होंने मेरे थप्पड़ मार दिया। उसके बाद एक थप्पड़ और दिया। फिर बहसबाजी हुआ, काम आप अच्छे से नहीं करते, ऐसे कुछ बोला। फिर मेरा कॉलर पकड़ लिया, गर्दन पकड़ लिया।
Meanwhile, MLA Rajan has not issued any statement regarding the allegations so far. However, Awang Kunau Ibudau Puthiba Development Committee has refuted the claims, terming them baseless. Speaking to media, the committee's Vice President Soraisam Anganghal demanded withdrawal of the police complaint, warning that failure to do so would lead to agitations, including stoppage of railway work and possible burnt. He also highlighted delays in construction of the road under bridge at Salam, stating that the project, which began in late 2022, has severely affected movement in the area. He further alleged that disruption of pipeline infrastructure during construction has led to potable water issues for residents.
Paja mayam sina hanna hanna haibada thawibidana mayam ama leibasigi complaint tawbada DC water supply gi mioi sing akoi MLA laktana yengjan basida railway gi contractor sing unadana ngangna dana tawbada ningai sangdana ba lei adubu phuna chaina ba thokpadi leite thikadar gi site gi khanei chenei phui haidan masing ba complaint tawbasidi lali koi paja leiba mayam sin loina uba ngakdani koina complaint tawbani masidi moina yam thuba matamda hajik moina tawribasi hantokdragadi akoi paja mayamna lambi da chatliba gari nungni punamak hingani nimit mangani gi manungda Sengtoktana jaga asida hena phana tung koina lambi si chatpa yanaba tribal sensitive phanaba honabada loi mari leinaba authority punamangna mateng pangbiu.
A bomb explosion was reported near a residential gate at Iroishemba Mamang Lekai under Lamphel Police Station in Imphal West District late last night. According to Impact News sources, the blast occurred around 10 p.m. near the residence of Kumbong Mayum Rupachandra at lane number 4. No injuries or casualties have been reported in the incident. Motive behind the explosion remains unclear and no arrests have been made so far. Manipur police has registered a case and launched an investigation. Meanwhile, members of EYDC Iroishemba and Iroishemba Punba Maira Paibi staged a sit-in today over last night's bomb attack at the residence of former IFCD executive engineer Kumbong Mayum Rupachandra. The protest was held at Iroishemba Mamang Lekai. Speaking to media, EAMP Vice President Sagolsem Loidang Mani condemned the act of hurling bomb in residential area. She questioned who would take responsibility if residents had been injured in the blast. Urging all concerned to pursue peaceful dialogue, Loidang Mani also demanded clarity on who was behind the attack and the motive for carrying out such act.
Bom ama langsinduna pokhaiduna aki akhang pibirambasi akhoi tasengna lekai ama oina akhoi yajaningde mafam khuding makta akhoi hauji awa ngaktane ba misi mina ngaktane ba misi mina marak sida akhoi maitai macha masen akhoina amaga osenaraga sugumba yamna thohaningda ba thogdo mi siba ya ba sugumba crime tawba thabak sidi akhoina ju tasengna tawhaningde adu tangai phadana wari sanaraga wakhan taminaraga afabata do khanna ba haibase masi akhoina tasengna pamda matung jojo asugumba thohaningdaba thogdoksi akoina thondana baina aduga tawbirami badu kanana kari maramgino kanada tawbirambano habado miyam khagna sengdokpiro athuba matamda.
Amid rising incidents of bomb threats in some parts of valley areas in the state, unidentified miscreants hurled a hand grenade and opened fire at the residential gate in Langjing Achauba Maninglekai under Lamphel police station in Imphal West district last evening. The attack reportedly targeted the residence of 65-year-old Dr. Salam Arbin, son of late S. Nabakumar, who runs a dental clinic in the locality. No casualties have been reported. A note bearing the word warning along with a name was reportedly found near the gate. However, family members stated that they do not recognize the name mentioned and have not received any prior threats or monetary demands. Manipur police has registered a case and launched an investigation. Motive behind the attack remains unclear. Meanwhile, residents of Langjing Achauba Maninglekai under Lamphel police station staged a protest condemning the hurling of bomb and opening fire at the residence of 65-year-old Dr. Salam Arbin. Langjing Achauba Apunba Club and local Maira Paibi groups organized a protest demonstration at Langjing Achauba. Speaking to media, Maira Paibi member Bilashini Lema condemned the act, stating that such incidents in a residential area are unacceptable and must be stopped immediately. She demanded public clarification from those involved at the earliest.
Mi mafam jumla kadi mi ki ina tam hamja bom thamjalamba no mega salamba adagi mu jumji maning de school ni satra mayam tungi bio do satra mayam sulai ne ba sai da kan bo na sana no tawira mi be se am pien da haji langjing apum ga pien da phongdok che di mathakta muksu jumla ta bom lang thalaga yum angang macha leidi ada ahal leidi ake khang tujung hamja tawbi ba kai bom ji lang thalaga bogi talib dabi phangdori bra mi hal dabi phangdori bra kai bom lang thalamba mi hal dabi phangdor ga mi to halo yara ga khu i ma se ne ba adu na ta bi kai maram kharagi haji sengdok chara be tanja mi ma bom lang thalaga Masoini, lumay kapas masoin ha kanta bangandra, singong na tanza pida na yumnak tabom ng salamba, lumay kasalamba si yaning.
On the occasion of Manipur Peace Day 2026, Thado in P. Manipur submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Y. Kemchan with an appeal for immediate and inclusive steps to restore peace in the state. TIM called for a structured dialogue involving all communities, equal enforcement of law and free movement of citizens. It also stressed the need to identify and act against anti-peace elements. It expressed concern over selective engagement and growing trust deficit and urged the government to take decisive action for lasting peace. Riha Village Secretary Ninglum Mungwa alleges that bias by security forces in favor of a particular community is contributing to the ongoing tensions in Manipur. He made the remarks on the sidelines of a relief distribution program for violence-affected villages of Riha Tangkul village under Pungyer subdivision in Kamjong district today, organized by valley-based groups and Maira Paibi organizations. Ninglum urged the government to closely examine the situation and take action against perpetrators, stating that villages dependent on agriculture are facing continuous hardship due to attacks by Kuki militants. Meanwhile, Thongju Sporting Club President Namirapam Chingkai called for unity among all indigenous communities, stressing the need to support one another during difficult times. Southern Tangkul Naga Union extends gratitude to the relief effort of different clubs in Merapaibi groups of Kakwa, Hairangoithong, Buangkai and Kurai under the overall initiative of Sporting Club Thongju.
Manipur state government na haining budi ko partiality leitana ekoi fazana ko PC pro khan bio mig na su uye central force leriba singna ko kuki gi mi changanga kuki ga pangar ama da phaminaraga nungdang weram da ekoi gi hek mathak ta leba thoi kunji da kuki na hek ka probdo ekoi mig na su uye maharijimen oigera CRPF oigera BSF oigera mukhoi bangar da phaminaraga mukhoi gi mi changba haipse ekoi yam nungaite government ne na chingi oirisu tampaki oirisu migen amada phajana yengbiraga athubda shanti haipsu purak khanbiu haina ko government officials singda politicians singda ko request taujari.
Transgender activist Malem Thongam today submitted memorandums to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala and Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, urging authorities to allow the continuation of the peace solo ride. Earlier, the activists undertook a solo walk from Imphal International Airport to the Chief Minister's bungalow. Security forces were deployed to prevent any unwanted incidents, and Malem was later escorted by police from Kashampat Junction till the bungalow. Speaking to media, Malem appealed for concerted government action to restore peace and normalcy in the state. The activists also alleged obstruction to the peace ride by certain groups and submitted a demand for declaring COTU and ITLF as unlawful organizations under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967.
COTU amasung ITLF haiba organization anisna dathariba thabak thoramsing asi communal oiba thabak thoramsing ngakda oiba maramna haiba organization anise Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 ki makhada haiba organization anise dona yadaba dugumdaba Manipur miyamgi mayokda thabak tawba organization ni haina lauthopiyo haiba organization demand se yawi aduna aigi pointing se Manipur gi governor amasung chief minister da aina si bisam da matung ai nimit kharani ngaigani aina ngaigadoriba nimising manung da ai PIL amasu thananaba ai plan tawdari.
Uripog Apunba Yaifa Tharang Nupilup refutes allegations made by Jennifer Khaidem in a viral video claiming lack of support from Uripog locals for her ongoing fasting protests. Addressing the media, the group stated that the claims are baseless and have misrepresented the image of Uripog residents. Loop President R.K. Sanahanbi asserted that local clubs and Merapaibi groups fully support Jennifer's agitation, which calls for NRC updation and justice for victims of the Trong Laub incident and the ongoing violence in the state. She added that on May 3, locals organized a candlelight vigil to mark the third anniversary of Manipur violence and had planned for Jennifer to begin her protest the following day with a collective support. However, Jennifer reportedly began the protest on the evening of May 3 at Sagolban with a few supporters, despite prior coordination with local groups.
Mayra sang da magi je makha sa tha le mayra gi member khara na ma sang nge dei baro tawra ko gi sai che dei mai bin khara la e du magi kungjang du support to boina ma so pi boina secretary voice that sang ni ba mayam sin na hai nga si gi dam ta di akhoi si arrange ta ho tre mayam la pi ra banina mayam sin nga si gi ahin gi yari ko gi hogai si lo bi ro adu hayin da gi de akhoi makha ta do akhoi sinna ra ba akhoi tawjara ge na akhoi na haira maga sinara maga moi do ngam moi so hai de le kai gi mi yaw bi so hai de kem hai da na o moi yare na moi da thama maga no nga la ga yeng na ba matam de Mayra thung lo de swaina angar strike to budu leiram dere an hai kan ja khoi mathang paw long aina sagom malom ta leire hai ba paw se khoi tare ida Mayra ta am ba sunate khoi di mana su hujik yola ma ni da khoi na Mayra si da loksa lu ga ma ba mu taw kan batu di pam dere.
Now with that, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manipur NCC cadets shining at Northeastern Region Awards 2026. Keep watching Impact News.
Class 11 amadi 12 school tamna medical engineering NDA SSC law entrance exam thanabagi tawriba adugumba integrated program yawba school amani Alpha Center of Excellence Academy Babupara ngasi maglangsing biu class 11 tamnabagi damakta nungairaba paw amana dropper batch haibadi need engineering NDA lakliba me kungani pandagi haujarakani contact tawbirau Alpha Center of Excellence Academy Babupara.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. At the NCC Northeastern Region Annual Awards 2026 held in Shillong today, the National Cadet Corps Fraternity of Manipur secured multiple honors. Awards were presented by Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Violet Miki Silla and Additional Director General Major General Anurag Vij. Among the winners, 14 Manipur Battalion NCC First Officer Bhagya Chandra was named Best Male Associate NCC Officer of the Northeastern Region, while Second Officer Harish Kumar Kundrakpam received Male Associate NCC Officer of Manipur Award, and Second Officer Tokchom Prava received a Best Female Associate NCC Officer of Manipur Award. In the cadet category, CUO Konzam Moramba was awarded Best Senior Division Cadet, while SUO Laitantem Chanchan won Best Senior Wing Cadet. In the institutional category, Dhanamanjuri University of Science was adjudged overall Best College and Ningthaukong Higher Secondary School as overall Best School of Manipur. NCC Group Headquarters Imphal and other units congratulated all the awardees. An international language and cultural exchange program began today at Pitambara English School in Kwakatel, Haino Khongnembi, Imphal West District. Organized under the theme Language and Cultural Exchange between Pitambara English School and Swan Dusit University, Bangkok, the program featured performances of traditional Manipuri dance and music. Assistant Professor Dr. Ponchanit Q. Nate of Swan Dusit University, Director Dr. Fenfag Fusil of Laor Utis Demonstration School, Thai teacher, Assistant Professor Samnyang Fakrajang, Chairman of Pitambara English School G. Bhavananda, along with delegates from Thailand and local participants attended the event. As part of the program, interactive sessions were held between visiting delegates and students of the school. The program will continue till May 8. Speaking on the occasion, Pitambara English School Academic Advisor Dr. L. Surjit stated that the initiative aims to provide students with exposure to languages and cultures of Southeast Asian countries, adding that such programs will help students adapt and excel in an increasingly globalized world.
Bangkok City Maktada Leba 132 years Suraba Magi Legacy Sigi Lairaba Sugumba, one of the prestigious universities, Son Dosit University Haisi Sigi when a collaboration Muk Tauraga School Sida Language and Cultural Programs Koi Satra Singida Tamalaga Koi Yumno Nariba Southeast Asian countries in the language Singsi Matang schools Singida introduced Taunabo Honabani Thai language Katanga Tekoi Korean to Taunabo Honori Chinese Kumbazi Taunabo Honori economy Southeast Asia Doji boom when a Lakomatam Sida Tungi Horkodoiba Isazina, Sugumba market Singsi, the job sectors ma'am, future Magi academic endeavors, Patana Tobangam Navagi, Pandam Jida Quina, Si Pantoks.
Thangwiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan lauded the humanitarian efforts of JCI Imphal Iconics during the oath-taking ceremony of its newly elected President JC Jufai Kar held at Hotel Padma in Thangal Bazar today. The event was attended by former and current members of the organization. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Joy Kishan appreciated the group's contributions during the COVID-19 pandemic and its continued support to internally displaced persons amid the ongoing crisis. He expressed hope that the organization would continue its service and assured his support. President JC Jupai reaffirmed the organization's commitment to public service and sought continued support from the people.
Construction of toilet and humanity service, helping IPTPs and giving hearing aids and wheelchairs and many others. I am also thinking of doing some remarkable one this year, mainly focusing on medical items. So we'll have a sitting with our new office bearers, and after that it will be better to announce that. Right now I will not be announcing it, but I have it in my mind. So all the JCI members will sooner know that what will be the action plan of this new team for the coming year.
A positive impact in the society. We will inspire the youth and build a strong and better future. I strongly believe that with your support we will achieve every goal.
DFO Chandel kicked off 3-day workshop cum capacity building program on hospitality, tourist, guide and nature camp management under Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Scheme at Chandel Christian Hall in Chandel district today. Speaking on the occasion, DFO Dr. N. Munal stated that since 2025, Chandel Forest Division has facilitated self-employment opportunities for around 350 local youths through eco-tourism initiatives along with various training programs. He expressed confidence that the ongoing initiative will contribute significantly to transforming the district and boosting the overall development of Manipur. The 56th distribution program of looms, embroidery and tailoring machines was held today at Thamnapokpi, Maninglekai in Bishnupur district under the initiative of former Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra. The items were distributed to local weavers in the presence of Sarachandra along with members of senior citizens Moirang. Two pregnant hog deer, locally known as Kharsa, have been rescued from separate locations under Kakching range of Thawal Forest Division. One animal was reportedly rescued from Sanatil, while another was rescued at Uchiwa Hayel Thongranbi. The animals were safely rescued with the help of local club members and residents. A joint team comprising officials from Central Forest Division, Kaibul Lamjau National Park, Kakching Forest Range, a unique wildlife protection committee and Manipur Police under Hyanglam Police Station later released the two hog deer safely into the wild at Krodrak area of Kaibul Lamjau National Park. Now the weather report. India Meteorological Department, Meteorological Center Imphal forecasts continuous rainfall across Manipur over the next 2 days. A yellow alert has been issued, warning of possible heavy rain accompanied by thunderstorms in several parts of the state. Rainfall is likely in districts including Tamenglong, Senapati, Kangpokpi, Imphal West, Imphal East, Ukhrul, Kamjong, Zirbam, None, Bishnupur, Thaubal, Kakching, Tengnopal, Chandel, Churachandpur and Frizol. Meanwhile, the ICAR Agrometeorological Unit Lamphilpat reported that the state recorded 0.3 mm of rainfall in the last 24 hours. Young Kwakta organization has issued a press statement urging relevant authorities to relocate Haran Gramik Vitrak Gas Agency office back to Kwakta to ease the inconvenience facing the locals. The gas agency office previously opened at Kwakta Bazaar is currently shifted to Ningthokong in view of the prevailing situation in the state. Now the sports news. Manipur's Nelsie Rose Saikom clinched a silver medal at the Bangkok Open Fencing 2026 held at Iconsiam in Bangkok from May 1st to 3. Representing India, she competed among over 1,200 athletes from 21 countries in one of Asia's major fencing events. Nelsie Rose, daughter of Saikom Manau and Saikom Ongbi Indrani from Kangabok Makhalekai, has also won multiple medals in previous competitions. The Ashmita Wushu Women's City League wrapped up today. The martial arts event was held at Universal Wushu Academy Center, Thaubal, Nongin Khong Lai Lerak. El Ngantoi bagged gold in the 56 kg group in the sub-juniors under 14, while TH Lamnganbi secured silver medal. In the 52 kg category, H. Elena clinched gold medal and L. Bijapati won silver. In the 42 kg category of sub-junior girls under 12, S. Lintoi Ngambi won gold and L. Senorita won silver. In the 36 kg category, Hentoi B. Sagolsem won gold and Benzi Maibam won silver. The City League was carried out under District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer Thaubal. The closing ceremony of the Asmita Wushu Women's City League was attended by SAI Assistant Director K. Michael, Thaubal District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer M. Devan, Arjuna Awardee W. Sandhyarani and Olympic Association of Thaubal President M. Mani, and presented medals to the winners and runners-up. Manipur registered a dominant victory in their second Group B League match of Swami Vivekananda Under-20 Men's National Football Championship. In the match played yesterday at Ram Krishna Ashrama Ground, Narayanpur, Chhattisgarh, Manipur defeated Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu 7-0. Swami Chandra started with a hat-trick while C.H. Akash, S. Guithoba, W. Jack and K.H. Carlos scored a 1 goal each. Manipur will face Chhattisgarh in their next league match at 4 p.m. tomorrow. All Manipur Football Association will kick off Under-17 Boys NCC Ekta Football Cup from May 22nd at Lamlong Tongkong Artificial Turf in Imphal East District. Entry forms are available at All Manipur Football Association AMFA office. Assam will face Tripura in the final of second Northeast Little Master Cricket Trophy being hosted by Tripura and organized by Assam Cricket Association. Today in the first semi-final match played at TIT Cricket Ground in Agartala, Assam secured 99-wicket win over Manipur while Tripura defeated Mizoram by 148 runs in the second semi-final match played at PTA Cricket Ground, Agartala. Final match is scheduled to be played on May 7. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Lamsang MLA Sorokhaibam Rajan accused of assaulting Assistant Executive Engineer of Northeast Frontier Railways during inspection of ongoing railway project in Lamsang constituency. Bomb explosion reported near residential gate in Iroishemba Mamang Laikai. Another bomb hurled at residential gate in Langjing Achoba Maning Laikai. And Manipur's Nelsie Rose Saikom clinches silver medal at Bangkok Open Fencing 2026 held at Icon Siam in Bangkok. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. Have a great evening and stay safe.
Sky Hospital na Manipur da heart attack line nabagi damak 24/7 emergency service